Mastering Blender Recipes, Top Tips for Success. Blender, the open-source 3D creation suite, has become a powerhouse in the digital art world. To boost your growth and mastery of Blender recipes, here are the top 5 secrets that will propel you to success. 1. Mastering the basics. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial for any Blender practitioner. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, hotkeys, and basic modeling techniques such as extruding, scaling, and rotating keyboard shortcuts, ESR. Mastering these basics will lay a strong foundation for tackling complex projects. According to Blender Guru's Doncha Okoyom, understanding the basics is like learning the alphabet. You can't build complex sentences without it. Spend time practicing and mastering the basics before diving into advanced techniques. 2. Leveraging online resources. The Blender community is vast, and online resources abound. Websites like Blender Guru, CG Geek, and Blender Stack Exchange offer tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting advice. YouTube channels such as Blender Guru and CG Academy provide visual step-by-step guides on various topics. A study by the International Journal of Computer Applications found that 75% of respondents cited online resources as their primary learning source for Blender. Utilize these resources to expand your knowledge and sharpen your skills. 3. Practicing regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering any skill, including Blender. Set aside a specific time each day or week to practice new techniques and work on projects. According to the book Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell, it takes approximately 10,000 hours of deliberate practice to master a skill. Make practicing a habit to see significant improvements in your Blender skills. 4. Collaborating with others. Working with others can provide fresh perspectives, challenge you to improve, and open up opportunities for collaboration on larger projects. Join online communities like Blender Artists or local meetups to connect with other Blender enthusiasts. A study by the Journal of Educational Psychology found that group learning environments lead to higher levels of student achievement than individual learning. Engage in collaborative projects and learn from others to accelerate your growth in Blender. 5. Staying updated. Blender is regularly updated with new features, tools, and improvements. Keep yourself informed about these updates by following the official Blender blog, social media channels, and forums. The latest release of Blender 3.0 introduced significant improvements in performance, animation, and user interface, making it essential for users to stay updated. Stay up to date with Blender updates to ensure you have the most efficient tools at your disposal. By focusing on the basics, leveraging online resources, maintaining a regular practice schedule, collaborating with others, and staying updated, you'll be well on your way to success in the world of 3D creation with Blender.